नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम इन आवर ऑनलाइन स्टडी ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स।
नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज हम क्लास 6 मैथमेटिक्स में प्लेइंग विद नंबर चैप्टर पर चर्चा करेंगे। ये हमारा वीडियो प्लेइंग विद नंबर का पार्ट 3 है। तो आइए हमारे इस वीडियो का आनंद उठाइए और अपने ज्ञान को आगे बढ़ाइए। दोस्तों, आज हम आपको प्लेइंग विद नंबर चैप्टर क्लास 6 का जो मैथ्स है उस पे चर्चा करने वाले हैं। तो आज हमारा टॉपिक है LCM एंड HCF। सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ LCM एंड HCF? LCM, so first of all I want to tell you that about HCF. HCF means highest common factor. So let us consider here are two methods to find the HCF. So we will take one by one method, try to understand and enjoy the video. So first method is by prime factorization method. So let us to find the HCF of 18 and 48. So first of all we will find here the factor of 18. So this is the easy method to find the factors of 18, that is divide by 2 we will get 9. After that it divide by 3, then we will get 3, because 3 3s are 9, and again we will divide it by 3, then we will get 1. You will divide the given number to getting 1. Okay, now you can write it as 18 equal to, therefore factor of 18 equal to 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, this is the factor of 3. Now we will find here the factor of 48. So you will write it as 48. You will divide this by 2 using divisibility rule, because here is 8, so this number is divisible by 2. So we will get this is 24, because 2 2 ja 4 and 2 4 ja 8. Again you divide by 2, then we will get it 12, and again we will divide by 2, therefore we will get here 6, and again it will divide by 2, then we will get here 3, and this is again divide by 3, then we will get here 1. So this is the end of the factorization. So we will get here the factor of 48. 48 can be written as, this is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So how many 2? 1 2 3 4. So here is 4 2 and 1 3, and this is the factor of 18, that is 2 into 3 into 3. So according to the definition, according to the title, the highest common factor. So you will see here, observe here which is the common things here. So this 2 is common and 1 3 is common. You can see that this 3 also common. So you will take only common things. Therefore HCF of 18 and 48 equal to, common things here 2 and 3. So you will write 2 into 3, that is 6. So this is the first method to find the HCF of the given number. Okay, I think that this concept is clear. First of all you will find the factors of given number. Here is only 2 number. If there is one more number, then you will find the factor of third number, and then you will observe what is the common factor in the given numbers. So you will write all the common factors only which will present in all the numbers. Then the multiplication of common factors are HCF, that is highest common factor. Now second method to find the HCF, that is common division method. So this is the method number second to find the HCF of 12, 20 and 56. So how can you find the HCF by the common division method? Yes, you can find it. You can find it. Now let us, we will write these numbers 12, 20 and 56. And then we will divide these numbers by a common table. So these all three numbers is divided by 2 because one's place is 2, one's place is 0, one's place is 6. So all these three numbers is divided by 2. So we will divide it by 2. 2 6 ja 12, 2 1 ja 2 and 0, and 2 2 ja 4 and 1, then 16, 2 8 ja 16, and again we will divide it by 2. So what we will get? We will get it as 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, and 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Now the process is end because this is prime number, this is prime number, and 14 can be divided by 2, but there is no any common number which we divide it by these three numbers. So the process is end. Therefore the HCF of 12, 20 and 48 56 equal to, only you will take these factors, that is 2 into 2, so you will get 4. So this is the HCF of the given numbers 12, 20 and 56 by the common division method. So I think that concept is clear. You will divide these numbers by a common table. That is, we have to divide here these three numbers by 2, and again we will divide it by 2. Now in the step number 3, there is no common table which can be divide these three numbers. So we will write the common factors, that is 2 and 2. So 2 into 2, that is 4, is the HCF of the given numbers. Now friends, we will learn here how to find the LCM and what is the meaning of LCM. LCM means lowest common multiple. Means we will find here multiple and then find all the multiple which is present there. So here are two methods to find the LCM. So we will discuss one by one. So here first method is to find the LCM by common division method. So how can you find the LCM by common division method? So here is the question to find the LCM of 24, 60 and 75. So try to understand how to find the LCM. So here we will write all these three numbers, that is 24 and then 60 and then you will write it as 60 and then 75. So you will start from the lowest table. You will divide it by first of all 2. So this 24 and 60 is only divided by 2. So you will write 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6 and 0, and 75 cannot be divided by 2. Now you will again divide by 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 5 ja 10, and again you will write 75 same to same. Now you will divide it by 2 once again. So 2 3 ja 6 and 15 cannot divide by 2. 75 also cannot be divided by 2. Now these three numbers cannot be divided by 2 because there are no 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 on the first place. So now we will moving for next number 3. We will divide it by 3. So we will start it 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15, 3 2 ja 6 and 2 5 ja 15. Now again these numbers cannot be divided by 3. So we will moving for next 4 and 5. So 5 and 25 cannot divided by 4. Now moving for next 25 is divided by 5 and 5 is also divided by 5. So we will write here 5, that is 1, and 5 ones are 5 and 5 5s are 25, and again we will write here 5, 1, 1 and 5 ones are 5. So you will divide these numbers to getting only 1 in the last step. So now this is the factor of 24, 60 and 75. Therefore, we will find the LCM. Now, LCM of 24, 60 and 75. This is there. You will write all the factors, that is 2. How many times 2? 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. And after that, how many times 3? Only 1 times. And how many times 5? Only 2 times. So now dear, you multiply these all. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8 and 8 5 ja 40. So you will write here 0. Now 4 3 ja 12 and 12 5 ja 60. So you will write here 60, that is 600. Therefore, LCM of the given numbers are 600. So this is the answer of this question. This is the method to find the LCM by common division method. So you will find here all the factors and multiplied, which you will get in the left side by the division method. So you multiplied all the numbers, you will get 600. So 600 is the LCM of these three numbers. So this is the answer. Now friends, we will learn here the second method to find the LCM, that is lowest common multiple. Here is the second method, that is by prime factorization method. To find the LCM by the prime factorization method. So try to understand. Here is the question. To find the LCM of 20, 60 and 90. So how can you find the LCM using factorization method? So dear, try to understand. So first of all, you will write here 20 and find the all factors of 20. So 20, and now you divide it by 2. So 2 1 ja 2, that is 10, and again by 2. So you will get 2 5s are 10, and again you divide it by 5. So you will get 1. You will divide all the numbers to getting up to 1. Now next is 60. So find the factor of 60. So you will first start from 2. 2, 3 ja 6 and 0. Again by 2. So 2 1 ja 2 and 1 is remaining. So it is 10. 2 5s are 10. Now this 15 cannot be divided by 2. So moving for 3. 3 5s are 15. And again you divide by 5. So you will get 1. Now next one is 90. So you find the factor of 90 by the factorization method. So you divide from start 2. That is 2 4 ja 8 and 2 5s are 10. Now this 45 cannot be divided by 2 because one's place digit is 5. So we will divide it by next number, that is 3. So 3 1 ja 3 and 3 5s are 15. And again by 3. So 3 5s are 15. Now this 5 cannot be divided by 3. Moving for next 4. So 5 cannot be divided by 4. Now moving for next number, that is 5. So you will divide it by 5, getting 1. So this is the end of this step. Now how can you find the LCM? You will write first of all 20. So 20 can be all factors, that is 2 into 2 into 5. After that 60, that is 60 equal to 2 into 2 and into 3 and 5. So first of all we will write here 5 and then 3. Now you will write the factor of 90. So you will get 2 into what you get 3 into 3. So you will write here 3 and into 3 and this is 5. You will write just here, that is 5. Okay. So after that, how can you find the LCM? So LCM you will take only lowest common multiple according to the definition, lowest common multiple. So you will take 1 2 here and these 2 only and 1 5 out of these 3 and again this 3 and again you will take this 3. So dear, this is the LCM. You will multiply it all. So how can you multiply it simply? First of all you write 2 5s are 10, that is you will write here 0. Okay. Now 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18. So you write 18 only. So this is the LCM of the given number, that is 20, 60 and 90. So this is the method to find the LCM by prime factorization method. You will find the factors one by one, all the given numbers, and then you will write just like that in this series, and you will take only common factors 1 times. That is this 2 only 1 times, and out of these 2 only 1 times, and 5 only 1 times, and this 3 only 1 times, and you will take this 3 also 1 time. When you multiplied it, then you will get the LCM 180. So this is the answer of this question. Now here a question to find the determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. So how can you find the 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12? So let us start the solution of this question and try to understand it. So here is to find the 3-digit smallest number which is divisible by 6, 8 and 12. So first of all, the smallest number is the LCM. the smallest number is the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. Smallest number is required, so we will find here LCM. Okay, so you will find the LCM of 6, 8, 12 by the common division method. So you divide by 2, that is 3, 4 and 6. Again you divide it by 2, that is 3, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, and again it divide by 2, that is 3 same to same, and 2 1 is 2 and 3 again same to same. So now again it divide by 3, so 3 1 is 3 and this is 1 same to same, 3 1 is 3. So you will get all place 1. So this is the factor, therefore LCM of 6, 8 and 12, this is 2 3 times, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, only 3 1 times. Okay, so what you get here, you will get this is 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8 and 8 3 is 24. So you will get the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. Now question says to find the smallest 3-digit number. So we will find here the multiple of this 24. And when we will get the 3-digit number, then that is the answer of that question. So here we will find the multiple of, now multiple of 24 are, so dear it is 24 1s are 24 and 24 2s are 48 and 24 3s are how much, 72 and 24 4s are 96 and 24 5s are 120. So this is the first 3-digit number, and these all are 2-digit number. These are 2-digit number. 2-digit number, and these are the 3-digit number. So this is the smallest 3-digit number. So this is your answer, that is the number smallest 3-digit number. This number is divisible by 6, 8 and 12. So your final answer is smallest 3-digit number equal to 120. So dear, this is your answer. So how can you find the smallest 3-digit number which is divisible by 6, 8 and 12? So first of all you will find the LCM for the smallest number. After that you will find the common multiple of the LCM. When you will get the smallest number, then you will find the answer of this question. Now here is next question. To find the least number which is divided by 6, 15 and 18, leaves the remainder 5 in each case. So how can you find that number which is divisible by 6, 15 and 18 and leave the remainder 5. Yes, you can find it. First of all, you will find the LCM of 6, 15 and 18. So now start the solution. We will find the LCM 6. We find the LCM of 6, 15 and 18 by the common division method, that is 6, 15 and 18. So you will start from the table number 2, 2 3 is 6, 15 you will write same to same, and 2 9 is 18. Now this 3 number cannot divide by 2, so moving for next, 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15, 3 3 is 9. Now again by 3 you will write 1 same to same, 5 same to same, and 3 1 is 3. Now you will divide it by 5, so 1 same to same, 5 1 is 5, and this is 1 2 same to same, so you will get 1 in each places. Therefore LCM of 6, 15 and 18, therefore LCM of 6, 15 and 18, we will get it all the factors, that is 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So how can you multiply it by easy way? 2 5s are 10, you will write 0, and 3 3s are 9, so you will write 9 here. So LCM is 90 of 6, 15 and 18. But question says that it leaves the remainder 5. So 90 is the number which is exactly divided by 6, 15 and 18. But if you add here 5, then you will get 5 is the remainder in each case. So your final answer is, we will add here now 90 plus 5 equal to 95. Therefore 95 is the number which is exactly divided by 6, 15 and 18 and leaves the remainder 5. So this is your final answer, that is the number is 95. So this is the answer of this question.
हमारे इस वीडियो को अंत तक देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका।